Look at him, guys. Look at him.
Got a little one too.
All right, guys. We got a hero here, guys. We got a hero here. That's what we need, guys. We need somebody that's coming in full speed. It's a little rough out there. Hey, but this guy's that isn't doing anything to that boat. He's got to have quads on that, bro.
Minimum 3.
No, that's quads. There's no way that boat's going to be moving that fast and that big. I would be extremely impressed if it's just triples. We shall see. Let's see. Come on, guys. We need a hero. Let's see if we can get.
Supercharger kick in.
Bro, isn't that a beautiful sound when it goes? All right, guys. He's gonna get the bend. Let's see. This might be a boat show boat. Come to Papa. Come on. Boom! Boom! That was beautiful. That was beautiful. See, this is what we needed, guy. A hero. That was beautiful. Come on, buddy. Oh, yeah. You still think it's trips?
I think it's trips.
You think it's trips? All right, we'll see.
Oh, he's coming close too, man. You should get a good shot there.
I have a great shot. Let's see what we got here, guys. Who's the hero today? You were right. You were right, bro. You've seen that boat here before.
No, I haven't.
You've seen that boat here before. You already know where. That's it, guys. I just lost a bet here, but I'm sure he's seen that boat here before.
Oh, wait, that's a little warrior there. We need something better than that.
No, there's got to be something
Something
better.
that doesn't bounce. Something that just goes.
Let's see. I'm sure we'll have a superhero. He did good.
I'm telling you, if you would have seen the U.S. Customs boat, you would have been like, they might pull this guy over too.
All right, guys. So we got somebody here that's a frequent viewer of boats here, and he says that there's a custom boat that has 5, not 4, 5. Is it 400s or 350s?
It's like 400s.
The safe boats, guys, they're here. Hey, if you haven't seen the video that I did of safe boats, you definitely got to take a look at that video, okay? Look at this, guys. We're getting a triple dose of safe boats here in Miami. Look at this. The Coast Guard, the police. That is too sick, bro. Look at them, just gone, bro, gone. And they're gone. They're protecting our waters, the United States Coast Guard, man. Smash a like for those guys, they work hard. Probably heading back to Miami Beach. Beautiful, beautiful boats. He's gonna get some air, watch.
All the time.
got a hero, gentlemen. I think we got a hero. Look at this. Wow, wow. Very, very reckless.
Oh yeah. Sure.
She's definitely pretty. Oh man, is this the Coast Guard like roping these guys off?
I guess.
They have
Coming
their
in from Bimini. They usually run with their lights on.
You see, I need a superstar. I need a hero to come in here.
Right?
I need a hero to come.
Out here. Yep, roping them.
You're about to be boarded. Oh man, give me the good shot. Give me a good angle. Y estos jet skis, guys, casi se matan todos los días, ¿eh?
The jet skis, bro, they get closer and closer every day to the pier, bro. I don't want to be that guy that's standing here and sees an accident, bro.
It's crazy.
Like I get it that it's flat. I get that it's flat closer to the pier.
Yeah.
You know? Oh, you're staying in the channel marker, man. You know?
Come, Dave. Come. Come to YouTube. Come to YouTube.